Precision is key. Each shade is measured to perfection.
Base oils and waxes form the silky heart of every lipstick. Heat and precision ensure a uniform, flawless texture. Every particle is filtered, guaranteeing purity and perfection.
The journey continues as colors move closer to their final form.
Every batch is inspected to ensure consistency in every shade.
Precision pumps deliver each drop into molds, shaping the future. Exact temperature ensures a perfect blend every time. Special additives bring sparkle and depth to each shade. Vertical movement ensures smooth transport to the production heart. Through elevated corridors, the precious mixture travels unharmed.
Aisles busy with movement guide each batch closer to transformation. The heart of the factory awaits, where color meets form.